How to watch movies in IMDb App, Malayalam. The IMDb app does not host full Malayalam movies itself. It tells you exactly which service has the film and links you there in 2 taps. Download the IMDb app from the Play Store or App Store and sign in with your Amazon or IMDb account so your settings and watch list are saved. Open Settings from the Profile menu and confirm your country. If the region is wrong, Malayalam providers will not be listed. Go to Preferred Services and select the platforms you subscribe to. For example, Prime Video, Manorama Max, Sina Play, Netflix, or Jio Hotstar. IMDb then ranks those first. Search for the Malayalam movie by name. If nothing shows up, try the English transliteration or add the release year to the search term. Open the title page and scroll to the Watch section under the poster. Each button tells you whether the film is included in a subscription or available to rent or buy. Tap the provider you want. The app switches over to that service where you log in and start the movie. IMDb never processes the payment itself. Use the watch list bookmark icon on any film you want to save. Inside the watch list, you can filter by provider to see what is streaming right now. For discovery, use the search filters or the top-rated Malayalam lists that users publish on IMDb. Then, check each title's watch options the same way. Tip: availability changes constantly and differs per country. If a film shows no provider, check again later or look for the DVD and digital purchase links lower down the title page.